Which is better, Ethereum or Cardano? Which cryptocurrency should you buy? Ethereum, ETH, and Cardano, ADA, are two cryptocurrencies with a lot in common, but which one is a better investment? Where should you invest your money today? Cryptocurrencies' meteoric rise has been one of the most exciting developments in the investment world so far this year. Numerous cryptocurrencies have grown exponentially in value, but it can be difficult to determine which ones are the best to invest in. Discover which cryptocurrencies may be the best in the following. In general, cryptocurrencies remain a highly speculative investment. Nobody knows for certain what this market will look like in a few decades, as the technology is still in its infancy. As a result, cryptocurrencies are a risky investment at the moment. Therefore, before investing in cryptocurrencies, ensure that you are comfortable with this level of risk. Having said that, cryptocurrencies may also prove to be a profitable investment in the long run if they prove to be successful. Ethereum, ETH, and Cardano, ADA, are two rising stars in the cryptocurrency world, ranking second and fifth in terms of market capitalization, respectively. Although ETH and ADA are similar in many ways, they do have some significant differences. If you're considering investing in one of these two cryptocurrencies, the information next will help you determine which one is the best fit for you. Pros and cons of investing in Ethereum. Ethereum is one of the most well-known cryptocurrency companies at the moment, and its native token, Ether, is the second most popular cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. Ethereum is one of the most widely used blockchains for decentralized applications, DApps, such as non-fungible tokens, NFT, and decentralized finance, DeFi. Additionally, it hosts smart contracts, which enable individuals to enter into safe and secure agreements without the assistance of a third party, such as a lawyer. Additionally, because the Ethereum blockchain is open source, anyone can create new decentralized applications. Because all applications on the Ethereum blockchain require the use of Ether, Ethereum will benefit if one of these DApps is successful. One disadvantage of Ethereum is that it currently relies on the energy-intensive proof-of-work (POW) mining protocol. Cryptocurrency miners must use powerful computers to solve puzzles and verify transactions using this protocol. As time passes, these puzzles become increasingly difficult, requiring an increasing amount of energy. However, Ethereum developers are currently working on a POS protocol that is significantly more environmentally friendly. With a POS protocol, miners are required to stake some of their cryptocurrencies in order to verify transactions and earn rewards. While moving to a POS model is a wise move for Ethereum, there will almost certainly be growing pains along the way. Investing in Cardano, the advantages and disadvantages. Cardano, because it was created by one of Ethereum's co-founders, it bears numerous similarities to its predecessor. It does, however, have some distinct advantages and disadvantages. Cardano, like Ethereum, enables users to create decentralized applications, DApps, on its network. Theos, an NFT marketplace, and Indigo Protocol, which will enable users to trade real-world assets, such as stocks, on the Cardano blockchain, are two of the projects currently in development. Unlike Ethereum, Cardano already employs a proof-of-stake mining protocol, giving it an advantage over its rival. While it may take months for Ethereum to fully transition to a POS model, Cardano is already doing so successfully. With that said, Cardano is still in its infancy and will take time to catch up to Ethereum in other ways. While Ethereum and Cardano share many features, Ethereum has a longer track record and is currently more popular with users. This does not mean, however, that Cardano will never be able to compete with Ethereum. Cardano has grown significantly in terms of transaction volume and market capitalization over the last year, and if it continues to improve, it may gain an advantage over Ethereum. Which cryptocurrency is the best fit for you? Although both cryptocurrencies are risky, Cardano may be a higher risk investment at the moment due to its youth and lack of a track record comparable to Ethereum. Cardano, on the other hand, has some advantages, and if you're willing to take on additional risks and maintain long-term investments, it may be the right choice for you. Wherever you decide to invest, keep a long-term perspective in mind. Cryptocurrencies are notoriously volatile, and any investment is likely to experience ups and downs in the short term. However, by investing in high-quality assets, for example, Ethereum and Cardano, and focusing on the long term, you increase your chances of seeing positive returns over time. How to invest in cryptocurrency contract for difference, CFDs. There are additional ways to invest in cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, Dogecoin, Litecoin, etc., but the simplest is through cryptocurrency CFD trading. One of the benefits of trading cryptocurrencies via CFDs is the ability to trade 24 hours a day, including weekends. Additionally, CFDs allow for betting on both the upside and downside, providing an opportunity to profit, or lose, during both bullish and bearish phases. Additionally, CFDs on cryptocurrencies offer retail investors leverage of 1-2. This means that if you invest €1,000, your market position will double to €2,000. While leverage allows you to double your profits, it also exposes you to greater risk if prices move in the opposite direction of the direction chosen.